Today in the livestock market, cattle rebounded. Futures did gain back yesterday's losses. The international demand is strong and underpinning prices right now, but it struggles to really do much more, mainly because the grains kind of rebounded and now kind of put a lid on the beef complex as a whole. The CVOL right now is up, though, at 18.2%, and I think that that just shows that there's some strong activity in the market. The feeders were higher today. The box beef prices are on the rise, and I think that helped the market to really pick up a little bit. The futures were up $2, and the chart pretty much is mirroring what's happening in the live cattle market. But we got to watch closely to the grains because that direction has had a big impact as of late on the beef complex. So we're going to watch that closely. But I think it still looks like it recovered from the downslide that it was suffering last week. The hogs were up today too. The trade is consolidated for the most part. I think futures are in a little bit of a mini channel from 98.475 to 104.25. While April futures did dip down below that $100 mark, I think that on Monday, it just seems to be a major support level, and the futures are now kind of staying above that mark. So we'll watch that. We'll watch that support level because if the market breaks through and we get follow through selling, then basically everything is going to change. But it is a major support level. And just remember that the tight supply situation as the year goes on is still in play. So it's really hard to say that there's going to be, a big or the market is vulnerable to a big sell-off. That being said, perhaps the correction from really screaming up to 112 finally finally came down to a level that seems to have a little more equilibrium. The CVOL on the lean hog market is 31.7%. Now, the grains are really important to watch, especially now because we're in pre-spring and what's happening overseas. So it will have some impact on the livestock market as a whole.